right, guys, next we're going to make another outdoor spray, but this one is safe for all ages. And when I first made it, the reason I made it this way is because I had a precious little grandbaby and I wanted to make sure that we could spritz her so those critters didn't bite her. And this covers a lot of critters. Those little critters that like to land on like your food at a picnic, and the ones that like buzz near your ear and bite you, and then those ones that like to attach and suck your blood. So anyway, we don't want any of that stuff going on. So what we do here is we have 2 ounces of water, and we have 2 ounces of witch hazel. So the witch hazel, you need to get alcohol free. Carrie had mentioned that in the other video, but sometimes it's hard to find. I got mine on Amazon. I did see it in little travel sizes. I got really excited. It was in Target, and I thought that was perfect. It was like 3 for $12 or something, like about this big. So, and it was the same one. So I haven't found it in the non-alcohol, like at Walmart. Some people said they found it at Walgreens, but not mine. Earth Fare. Okay. So besides the water and the witch hazel, you need 10 drops of the citronella. And this really smells really good. Like, and it feels so nice on your skin. And Young Living does make a bug spray. They came out, well, an insect repellent is what it's called. But actually, we can say bug spray on that one because it's approved by the FDA. And that was launched last June, so it was a year ago in June. So you can order that too. But that you like pour out of a bottle. I guess you could put like a pump on it. But this is just really easy in a little container. 5 drops of lemon would be, doesn't matter the order you put it in, but it's our order. So 5 drops of lemon, which lemon also smells really good. And lemon is a great cleaner. If you have anything stuck somewhere, lemon is your friend. And it smells good. And a lot of these oils, if you like the smell, just put them in put them on a cotton ball, stick them in your vacuum cleaner, stick them in your car vent. You could actually just put some drops on a paper towel and stuff that paper towel in your car vent. And
garbage disposal.
Smelling good. Oh, garbage disposal. Okay. 5 drops of cedarwood. This is my favorite oil because I use it to sleep. I diffuse it every night to help me sleep, but I always pair it with a friend. Vetiver is my favorite friend for it to be with, so I made them best friends. But it's pretty thick, so you have to like wait. But now I took the little top off of mine and I just pull it out with a dropper much faster. And then I put frankincense in that with the cedarwood. So 5 drops of lavender. Which is good for so many things. This is a great one to just put in a little spray bottle with some witch hazel or water and spritz your pillow, spritz your children's pajamas before they put them on, and it's very relaxing, so it helps them to be restful when they're going to sleep. And then 5 drops of geranium. And that would be our last one. So just to recap, you need 2 ounces of water, 2 ounces of witch hazel, 5 drops of geranium, 5 drops of lavender, 5 drops of cedarwood, 5 drops of lemon, and 10 drops of citronella. And then you can spritz your babies and you can spritz your grandma.